Dear students, we shall work out problem on joint venture accounts. Please see problem number 1. Motu and Patlu entered into a joint venture to construct a godown for Global Limited for base 15 lakhs. 15 lakh is the contract price for the construction of a godown for Global Limited. Motu and Patlu are co-venturers of a joint venture. Understand? This is payable as to rupees 10 lakh in cash and the balance in equity shares of the company. Contract price received in the form of cash rupees 10 lakh and the balance in equity shares. Understand? When contract price received from the Global Limited by the joint venture entry, when contract price received in cash, what comes in? Cash comes in, entry, joint bank account detail to joint venture account. It is just like cash received from sale of goods. ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಹಣ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದವಾಗ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಏನದು? ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ detail to joint venture account. First entry. Next, the balance in equity shares of the company. Out of 15 lakhs, 10 lakh received in cash. Remaining amount, how much? 5 lakh received in kind in the form of equity shares. When equity shares received, entry, equity shares account detail to joint venture account. Equity shares account detail to joint venture account. Got it? These two entry recorded on credit side of joint venture account by joint bank account by equity shares account. Completed. Next, the transaction were as follows: paid for wages 3 lakh, material purchased 7 lakh 20,000. Completed. These two entries relating to expenses incurred in relation to a joint venture. Understand? When expenses incurred, entry, joint venture account detail to joint bank account. Understand? You have to record this one on debit side of the joint venture account. Understand? 3 lakh plus 7 lakh 20,000. Total 10 lakh 20,000 on debit side. Material supplied by Motu 50,000. When material supplied by co-venturer, entry, joint venture account detail to co-venturer account to Motu's account. Understand? Next, wages paid by Patlu 40,000. Same entry. Okay. Joint venture account detail to Patlu's account on debit side of joint venture account. Next, architect fees paid by Motu rupees 20,000. When expenses incurred by co-venturer, entry, joint venture account detail to Motu's account. Completed. Next, when the contract was completed, the stock of material taken over by Motu for base 50,000. When stocks taken over by co-venturer, entry, co-venturer account detail to joint venture account. Here, co-venturer, Motu's account detail to joint venture account. You have to record this one on credit side of joint venture account. Completed. Next, the equity shares were taken over by Patlu for base 4,50,000. Completed. Face value of the equity share 5 lakh, taken over for rupees 4,50,000. Okay, joint venture incurred a loss of rupees 50,000. Loss incurred in relation to equity shares taken over by Patlu rupees 50,000. 5 lakh minus 4,50,000. How much? 50,000. Recorded on debit side of joint venture account. Okay. Entry, joint venture account detail to equity shares account. equity shares account. Completed? Yes. Next, prepare joint venture account. Next, write down solution. Next, write down books of Motu and Patlu. In the middle of the page, write down joint venture account. Draw necessary column. Please write rupees in amounts column. Okay. Record items according to information given in the problem. Please see problem. Motu and Patlu entered into a joint venture to construct a godown for Global Limited for rupees 15 lakh contract price. Okay. You have to record this contract price. Okay. This is payable as to 10,000 in cash. First entry, contract price out of 15 lakh rupees 10,000 received in cash. Entry, you know, joint bank account detail to joint venture account. Write down credit side. You credited joint venture account. It means that entry recorded on credit side. Okay. By joint bank account 10,000. Okay. Contract price received in cash recorded here. Okay. Next. And the balance in equity shares of the company. Balance how much? 15 lakh minus 10 lakh. 5 lakh received in kind. Okay. In the form of equity share. Entry. When equity shares received from Global Limited. Entry. Equity shares account detail to joint venture account. Okay. Write down 5 lakhs. Write in bracket contract price received. Okay. Total 10 plus 5. How much? 15 lakh received. Understand? Completed? Next. Next. They agreed to share profit in the ratio of 2:1. The transaction were as follows. Paid for wages 3 lakh. Material purchased 7 lakh 20,000. Material supplied by Motu. Okay. Yes. We can record first dot and second dot. Paid for wages and material purchased in one entry. When expenses incurred in relation to joint venture entry. Joint venture account detail to joint bank account. Write down debit side. You debited joint venture account. Understand? Write down joint venture account detail to joint bank account. Write in bracket wages paid 3 lakh. Purchased material 7 lakh 20,000. Total amount 10 lakh 20,000 in amount column. 10 lakh 20,000 in amount column. Got it? Next. First dot over, second dot over, third dot. Material supplied by Motu 50,000. Please see any other transaction relating to Motu. Architect fees paid by Motu 20,000. You can write these two transactions in one entry. Okay. Entry when material supplied by co-venturer and expenses paid by co-venturer. Entry joint venture account detail to co-venturer account. Joint venture account detail to Motu's account. Okay. Write down debit side. To Motu's account. Write in bracket material supplied 50,000. Architect's fees paid 20,000. Total amount 70,000. Amount column 50,000 plus 20,000. Next, please see fourth dot. Wages paid by Patlu 40,000. When expenses incurred by co-venturer on behalf of joint venture. Entry joint venture account detail to Patlu's account. Write down to Patlu's account. Joint venture account debited. Because of that reason, you have to record this entry on debit side. Okay. To Patlu's account 40,000. Write in amount column, write in bracket, wages paid. Next, architect fees over. When the contract was completed, the stock of material taken over by Motu for rupees 50,000. When stock taken over by Motu entry, Motu's account detail to joint venture account. Okay, write down. You materials taken over by co-venturer, we have to credit joint venture account. Okay, it means we have to record this entry on credit side. Okay, write down by Motu's account 50,000. Write in bracket, materials taken over. Next, the equity shares were taken over by Patlu for rupees 4,50,000. I already told you. Okay. Face value of the equity share 5 lakhs taken over for rupees 4,50,000. Joint venture incurred a loss of rupees 50,000. This loss transferred to joint venture account. Entry joint venture account detail to equity shares account. Okay. Write down to equity shares account. Write in bracket, face value 5 lakhs minus amount paid by co-venturer 4,50,000. Loss how much? 50,000. Write it in amount column. Entry joint venture account data to equity shares account 50,000. Write in bracket, loss transferred. Loss transferred. Completed. Yes, next. Okay, we recorded everything. Then balance it. Find out which side shows more balance. While balancing, please leave sufficient line to enter amount and distribute profit or loss among co-venturer. First of all, find out total. Which side shows more balance? Credit side shows more balance. 10 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 50,000. How much? 15 lakh 50,000. Write it in credit side. Next, write it in debit side. 15 lakh 50,000. Okay, 15 lakh 50,000 minus 10 lakh 20,000 minus 70,000 minus 40,000 minus 50,000. Is it 3,70,000? Write down debit side above total 3,70,000. Okay, what is this? If credit side total is greater than debit side total, then the difference is to be treated as profit on venture. Profit on venture transferred to co-venturer's account or distributed among co-venturers according to their profit sharing ratio. Okay. First write down the difference 3,70,000. We already recorded this one. Okay, next above total write down to co-venturers account, write in bracket profit on venture. Again write in bracket 3,70,000 profit. Okay, divided in the ratio 2:1. Okay, how much? Motu's share how much? 3,70,000 into 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Is it 2,46,667? Yes. Next, find out profit of Patlu. 3,70,000 into 1 by 3. How much? 1,23,333. 1,23,333. Completed. If a fraction is more than 0.5, then take 1. We distributed profit on venture among partners. Okay, joint venture account over. We completed. Next, problem number 2. Please see. Akshata and Jaya entered into a joint venture and agreed to share profit and loss equally. Akshata sends goods worth rupees 70,000 to Jaya. When goods supplied by co-venturer in relation to joint venture entry, joint venture account debtor to Akshata's account. You have to record this entry on debit side. Okay, to Akshata's account 70,000 and paid rupees 6,000 for carriage and other expenses. When expenses paid by co-venturer Akshata entry, joint venture account debtor to Akshata's account. Debit side 6,000 to Akshata's account 6,000. Next, Jaya sold the goods for rupees 1 lakh. When goods sold for cash, okay, joint venture ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ goods ಅನ್ನು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ entry, what comes in? Cash comes in. Okay, you have to debit joint bank account debtor to joint venture account. On credit side, you have to record by joint bank account 1 lakh. Next, reported that he incurred selling expense of rupees 16,000. Jaya incurs selling expenses 16,000. Entry, when expenses incurred by co-venturer entry, joint venture account debtor to Jaya's account. You have to record this one on debit side. Okay, to Jaya's account 16,000. Next, Jaya taking up unsold goods costing rupees 30,000 at a discount of 10%. When goods are taken over by co-venturer at a discount, okay, you know entry, co-venturer account debtor to joint venture account. Here Jaya's account debtor to joint venture account. This entry recorded in credit side of joint venture account at a discount of 10% means how much? 30,000 into 10%. Is it 3,000? 30,000 minus 3,000. How much? 27,000 recorded in amount column. Okay. They closed the joint venture. Next, prepare joint venture account. Okay. Yes. In the middle of the page. Okay. Prepare joint venture account. Okay. Next, we shall work out solution. Yes. Next, write down solution. Next, write books of Akshata and Jaya. In the books of Akshata and Jaya. In the middle of the page, write down joint venture account. Completed. We shall draw necessary column. Please write rupees in amounts column. Okay. We shall write one by one. Please see problem. Akshata sends goods worth rupees 70,000 to Jaya. When goods are supplied by Akshata entry, joint venture account debtor to Akshata's account. How much? 70,000. Write down 70,000. Write in bracket goods supplied. You debited joint venture account. Because of that reason, this entry comes in debit side. Okay. Next, paid rupees 6,000 for carriage and other expenses. You know entry, joint venture account debtor to Akshata's account. Amount column write down 6,000. Write in bracket carriage and other expenses paid. Next, Jaya sold the goods for rupees 1 lakh. When goods sold in relation to joint venture, entry joint bank account detail to joint venture account. Write it in credit side by joint bank account 1 lakh. Write in bracket goods sold. Understand? Next, reported that he incurred selling expenses of rupees 16,000. When selling expenses incurred by co-venturer, entry joint venture account detail to Jaya's account. Write down joint venture account debited. So you have to record on debit side. Write down to Jaya's account. Write in bracket selling expenses. How much? 16,000. Completed. Next, Jaya taking up unsold goods costing rupees 30,000 at a discount of 10,000. Okay, I already told the entry. What is that? Jaya's account detail to joint venture account. Okay, write in credit side by Jaya's account. Write in bracket 30,000 minus 3,000. How much? 27,000. Okay, stock taken over at a discount of 10%. 30,000 into 10%. 3,000. Okay, 3,000 deductible from 30,000. Remaining balance how much? 27,000 recorded in amount column. Okay, write in bracket stock taken over. Completed. Next, they closed the joint venture. Prepare joint venture account. Okay, yes, we recorded everything. Okay, leave 4 to 5 lines. Okay, leave 4 to 5 lines. Next, total it. Find out which side shows more balance. In this column, credit side shows more balance. 1 lakh plus 27,000. 1 lakh 27,000. Okay, write in debit side 1 lakh 27,000. Completed. 1 lakh 27,000 minus 70,000 minus 6,000 minus 16,000. Is it 35,000? Check it. Yes, 35,000. Okay. Write difference in debit side above total. Completed. 35,000. Okay. Next, debit side write down. This 35,000 is treated as profit on venture. This 35,000 treated as profit of venture, transferred to or distributed among co-venturer according to their profit sharing ratio. In this problem, they share profit or loss equally. Equally means 1:1 ratio. Okay, write down debit side to co-venturers account. Write in bracket profit of venture. Okay, again write in bracket 35,000 distributed in profit sharing ratio 1:1. How much? Akshata's share in profit 35,000 into 1/2. Is it 17,500? Okay, write in particular column Akshata's account 17,500. Next, Jaya's account. How much? 17,500. Completed? Yes. Profit of venture distributed among co-venturer. Okay. Yes, joint venture account over. These are some information relating to roll number 2. Watch explanation video regularly. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನನಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹಿಂದೆ ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ, ಆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರು ಸಹ ಆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನ ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್?